Objectives are a fundamental part of Big Room PI planning. They provide a clear vision of what we aim to achieve. Go to your board, click on More menu, and select Objectives. Create groups. There are two types of objective groups. A team group is a group where objectives are assigned to a specific team, whereas a custom group is a user-defined group that can be used for cross-team or common goals. Each objective should align with the team's mission and vision, should contribute to the business value, and should be achievable within the PI timeframe. Set objectives. Those that the team feels confident about completing within the PI. They're closely tied to the team's main responsibilities and are a vital part of achieving our larger business goals. On the other hand, uncommitted objectives are our stretch goals. These objectives represent additional value that we hope to achieve, but they're not guaranteed. They help us push beyond our comfort zone without risking our primary commitments. Business value. Each objective has a business value associated with it, which is an estimate of the worth of the objective from a business standpoint. It's a powerful tool for communicating priority and guiding trade-off decisions. Once objectives and groups are created, sort them in the way you want by dragging and dropping. Edit your custom objectives group to set the group status. Add some details. Or maybe have a conversation with your colleagues. Click on Objective ID to see more details. To move from committed to uncommitted, assign multiple teams for the same objectives, assign dates and responsibles, and a full objective description, and start a conversation with your colleagues. To measure the objective completion link, your features, and stories, track your objective history and add watchers to track changes. To view the complete details of the linked items, click on the arrow icon. The features and their stories displayed along with the status, story points, teams, and sprints. Objectives completion can be tracked within one of the 5 formulas. To make your life easier, use Search to find the objectives you need quickly. For more details, check help.kendis.io.